What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm your boy Ricky Johnson. So in today's video we're going to talk about how much I spent on my Shelby Gt350 suspension build. Before I go any further, please make sure you guys like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you guys get all my uploads. All right? Okay guys, so I'm going to go over all the parts and prices that I paid for my suspension build. I'm going to give you guys a total, and I'm going to give you the individual prices. So the total amount of my 9-page receipt on suspension parts was $3,893. Okay, so that includes 3 different companies: BMR, Steeder, which weighs all the other companies, and Ford Performance, and Ford, and also IBOC, which is currently not on the car right now. IBOC springs. So the first thing I bought, and this is not in any particular order, I just want to apologize for the wind. So the first part that I purchased was the BMR jack and rail. That was $141.15. Next, the IBOC Pro Kit springs. That was $363.69. Third, Steeder front camber plates. That was $273.69. Now this is a bunch of Steeder parts all lumped into one. The Steeder IRS subframe brace. That was $220. The Steeder bump stair kit. That was $175. Adjustable rear toe link. That's $224.96. ARP wheel stud kit, $314.94. And we have here BMR vertical link. That was $199.95, rounded off $200. For performance Lawrence springs, $275.99. And of course, my one favorite part that I love about this car, my Michelin Pilot 4S. $1,640.19. I don't care about anything else. That one part made a shitload of difference. A load of difference. So there you have it, guys. That is my total price of how much I spent on my entire suspension build. Now, a lot of you guys might be asking yourself, right? Questioning me, like, was that all necessary? In my opinion, yes. My personal preference, yes. Reason being, before I did all this, I've always tested this car out by myself, open road, no cars around, in cold weather, in warm weather, in hot weather. Traction control off, traction control on. This car has always scared me. Anytime I used to roll out of first gear, the tires were cold, the car would jump to one side, the back would get swirly. Very scary. Very unpredictable. I started to believe that whole Mustang curse, right? Losing control, killing the crowd, or whatever. I didn't want to be that guy. Warm weather, it would do the same thing. Now, I thought to myself, like, what the hell's wrong with this car? Maybe I'm just me. I mean, I can't drive. Turn the traction control off. Holy shit, that's a whole nother story, right? Uncontrollable. I'm not saying this was like all the time. Once the car, once the tires get some heat in it, it'll feel a little bit better, but it was still scary. It would still do it once in a while. You know, it was, like I said, it was unpredictable. So I decided to myself that the car needed a bunch of different parts to kind of control all this wildness that was going on. So wheel hop was one of the first things that I tried to get under control. The vertical links, a bunch of other parts. Those parts kind of tamed it a tad bit, but the wheel hop was still there under a certain degree of weather. Let's fast forward to now. With everything put all together, the car is amazing to drive. This $3,893 is well worth it. The car is much more controllable. It doesn't swing the tail anymore. It doesn't jump to another lane if I'm trying to, roll out of first gear really hard, snatch second. No more wheel hop. Wheel hop is completely eliminated. I could launch this car in first gear in 30-degree weather, and it just go. It doesn't even squat as much as it used to since I removed the IBOC springs and put the Ford Performance springs in. So overall, I believe that this is money well spent. And would I do it over again? Yes, I would do it over again. Do I recommend you guys to do it? Now, that's a tricky question because, like I said at the beginning, this is my personal preference. This is my personal preference. There's a lot of people who leave their car stock and they love it. Me personally, didn't like it. Just didn't like the feel of it. All right. So I can't recommend everything that I've done to the car. Certain things I will. I will recommend these tires. These tires work. Mission Pilot 4S, great tires. 4 performance springs, IBOC, BMR. I can't speak on BMR. I only speak on IBOC, and I only speak on 4 performance. I will go for performance over IBOC. If you're looking for that drop look and your roads are perfect and you don't have to worry about bumps or anything like that, IBOC is for you. If you're like me, occasionally you driving, you want to go to city, things like that, these springs are for you. Vertical links, wheel hop kit, definitely recommend. Honestly, I think I would recommend almost all the parts. Sway bars and things like that, maybe not. You can live without sway bars, but obviously, if you want to do that, that's up to you. But I don't want to make this video too long. If you guys have any questions, please hit me up in the comment and let me know. I love doing videos like this on parts that I purchase and let you guys know what are the outcome. Is it worth it? Is it not? And again, this is all personal preference. I'm not saying what I'm doing is correct. It's correct for me. It might not be correct for you. So hope you enjoyed this video. See you guys in the next video. Peace.